More 15 Node.js programming, Node.js, C programming, C++ programming, Java, Android, data structures, SQL, Firebase, Flutter, MongoDB, PHP, WordPress, jQuery. Right. As this is an web development internship, we'll just talk about the skills which is related to web development. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, what is HTML and why do we use that?
So HTML stands for you know that hypertext markup language we use for basically to a web page to create a web page. If we take an example like in human body, it acts as a skeleton for as a HTML, and CSS for an like a body. What is the color of the body like that? And JavaScript nothing but a brain of that body.
Okay. How about CSS?
Sorry, sir.
How about CSS?
The CSS, which is stand for cascading style sheet. If we want to, let's say we want to do certain things like we have to put color to our website or something like that. If we want to uh, put flexibility in that, what I mean, flexible of the web page, we can use CSS to design our web page, basically. In short.
All right. All right. All right. Okay. And okay. I'll be asking a question on selector specificity in CSS. Okay. What is selector specificity in CSS?
The selected specificity is that if we want to, let's say, if we want to select an ID, so we can select that by get element by ID, or if we want to select in some of the classes names, so we can use of that selectors to use to manipulate of that things like I made on calculator, so I use some of that selectors to use, and you have to manipulate the addition, subtraction, all that operations like that.
Okay. Do you used box sizing property?
Uh, Box sizing properties, I know about that.
Okay. Right. Um, there is an issue with the CSS while using padding. Okay. If you are having an div element which has a 50 percentage of width and height of 50 percentage. At the same time, the development has an 10 pixels width of padding of left and right. Okay.
Yes.
Then what will be the total width of the element?
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat once, sir?
You are having an development which has 50 pixels width and 50 pixels height.
Okay.
Okay. And the same element has 10 pixels padding additionally in left and right.
Okay.
So now what will be the total width of the element?
So it will be 50 plus 10, so 70
Yeah,
in total.
okay. Right. Uh, does all properties in CSS supported by all major browsers?
Yes. Mm, sir, yes, more or less, yes, sir.
Okay, what about older browsers?
So it will problem in the versions, sir. If the
Hmm.
version is not match, and it will not.
All right. What is called polyfilling?
Sorry, sir.
What is
Poly,
called polyfilling?
sir, sorry, sir. I don't know.
Yeah, okay, that's no problem. All right, let's move on to JavaScript. Okay, there will be an basic question. Right, what is called hoisting in JavaScript?
So if you want to host a particular things like if you want to host some of the website or something like that, like a particular website if you want to host, like
Yes. Hello.
yes sir. Uh,
You got completed.
yes sir. More,
Right? Can you repeat it again? Because you've been speaking, but I can't hear anything.
sir, hosting is nothing but if you want to host a like if you want to host like a website in that particular if you created a website, if you want to host that website to a live server like that, then we can use that hosting.
Okay. Okay. Right. Right. Anyway, I'll be making a correction on this. Okay. First of all, hosting in JavaScript is an native behavior of JavaScript. Hosting is a process of declaring an variable. Uh,
Okay.
if you are declaring a variable, or else if you are using a variable, JavaScript has a functionality of using a variable without any period declaration with the help of where keyword.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. You are not audible, sir.
Is it okay right now?
Hello, sir. Sorry for disturbing, sir. You are not audible.
Is it okay right now?
Hello, sir.
1 minute. Yeah, okay, right. So JavaScript has a functionality of using a variable without any period declaration, and the declaration can be done anywhere. Even after using the variable, we can declare the variable. Okay, if you are using a variable called a, you no need to declare it initially. Okay, but you can declare it even after the usage of the variable. If you have used the exact variable in the third line, you can declare it on the 10th line. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but
Means we have to redeclare. Uh, we can redeclare it.
yeah, we can also redeclare it with the help of where keyword. Okay,
Okay.
if you are using a let declaration, there's not possibility of redeclaring a variable. Okay, right. JavaScript automatically hosts the variable. Okay, the declaration to the top of the program. So uh, the variable can be declared initially within native support. Okay, there is the programmer has no need of switching the variables. Okay, so you can use a variable without declaring it, and you can also declare it later.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is called DOM manipulation?
DOM manipulation is widely used for like if we can use in many of the things. We can do much more things from DOM manipulation. That is, if we want to select a particular query, that is from like if we want to select a particular ID, particular class, then we have to things manipulate that class, or we have to we have to do certain things like if we want to take a class and we have to do certain operation on that class, then we can use DOM manipulation. We can with using the DOM manipulation we can use some of the things in JavaScript.
Okay. What is the use of promises in JavaScript?
Promises.
In JavaScript, what is the use of promises in JavaScript?
Now, the uh, the promises, sir. But actually, uh,
Yeah, no
I'm
problem. No
unable.
problem.
I'm
No.
unable to that, sir. Actually, I have to brush up so that I can recall it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Um, let's check your resume again. Okay. Let's talk about MySQL joins.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about inner joins in MySQL select statement?
Sure, sir. The inner join, if you want to take a data from, let's say inner join is nothing but just a natural join. If you want to take one table and another having the another table, like two table, if you want to take common attributes from both the tables, then we can use inner join. It is nothing but a natural join. We can use both the table entities name and in between the natural join or inner join we can write and we can get the output. We can get the data which is having the both entity attribute common to both the data, both the tables.
Hmm. Okay. All right. What is the use of constraints?
Constraint is used for like we have to consider not null constraint and unique constraint. If you want to like let's say if you want to say like we won't allow to a particular attribute to set a null, then we can use not null constraint and a unique constraint. We can also use unique constraint that all the attributes must have the unique values.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll be making another question, same from SQL. Right. What is the main use of foreign keys and primary keys?
Okay, sir. So foreign key is nothing but the set of the minimal amount of the super key. And the primary key is nothing but the foreign key which is taken by the database I mean designer to select that primary key from the candidate.
Which means a relationship between two tables.
Yes sir, of course relation to two tables.
Yeah. All right. And let's try to React.js. Okay. Right. What is a component in React.js?
So actually I have to brush up all the React JS parts.
Hmm.
So if
Okay.
I will because it's a day so I learned all that things and now actually I'm doing on AWS cloud computing so that's why I'm using on that.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Uh, all done right now. So thank you for joining our internship, and we'll mark your application as hired. And let's talk about the terms and conditions and joining mode. If you are an internship student, you will not get any other paid position as mentioned, and if you are a part-time worker, you will get 1,000 to 10,000 of stipend. Okay,
Thank you so much, sir.
all right. Whether
So,
you are joining as an
uh,
internship student or a part-time worker as an employee of ACS.
sir, can you please tell me the difference between both of them, sir?
Part-time means for a paid position, and also it represents that you are an employee of Arun Cybersecurity.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This basically suits for workers who are experienced in a specific stack, which is needed for the role. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If it is an internship student, he'll be joining the organization's internship program for gaining real world experience. Okay, but he'll not get any other paid position.
Okay, sir. I want to join for this company, sir.
Okay, as an internship or a part-time worker.
So part-time worker, I can join. Sir, one thing I can, sir, I want a certificate. Will I get
If you are a part-time worker, you will get a certificate. Sorry, if you are an internship student, you will get a certificate. Part-time worker, there is an another procedure to hire a part-time worker. Okay, which means
okay, sir?
part-time worker is an experienced person who can work in a specific technology.
So it is possible. So I will become a internship professor.
Okay, right. Okay, thank you for joining, and we'll give you an letter of recommendation, and we'll also give you a certificate at the end of the internship.
So where will I get update about this interview?
Um, your status of internshala will be changed to higher. Okay, and please give us your email and contact number in the internshala chat. Okay,
Sure, sure.
because the internship will be going on without any interaction between the community members, which means not through a visual communication. Okay, you will not meet any other community members visually, but you will be interacting with the community members as an non-textual manner. Okay, through that may be in chat. Okay,
Sure.
which replicates WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
right. And don't share your credentials to anyone, and no one will ask you to pay for anything else. Okay,
Okay. Sure.
and
Sure.
no one will pay for you. So if there is an email or something else to give your bank details, don't give it.
Okay. Sure. Sure. Sure.
Okay. All right. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining. And you said that you have a 20 and 21th, you have an exam, so that we'll start the
Yes.
internship from 24th.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So please mention your email and the mobile number in the intern chat. Okay.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Thanks.